waiting for our cookie to bake, let's get our icing ready. We're making a royal icing, which is will dry hard and crisp so that it won't smear when we put it into our packaging. All you need for that is 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, 2 egg whites, I'll show you how to separate those eggs, and a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. You'll want to mix it in an electric mixer. And so at first I'll start by putting my 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice into my mixing bowl. I'm going to separate my eggs. You just crack that egg open. Crack it open very carefully. You don't want to break the yolk. And you can just drop the yolk in your hand like that and let the white fall between your fingers. Alternatively, you can crack the egg open, again, over the bowl. Let the egg white drop and, just fall out of the eggshell. And then pour the egg yolk into the other shell and let the egg white drop. And just toss that the egg yolk back and forth until all the white is removed. And then we'll add the egg white to our mixing bowl. And then all your confectioner's sugar, 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. I'll go to the mixing machine and I'll show you what it looks like when we come back.